Hi everyone, Anna Berry here with David Shuloff and the Music ETF. You're making some waves over here at the conference. Tell us a little bit about MUSQ.
Thank you, Anna. So MUSQ is the first pure-play music exchange-traded fund. We give investors a front-row seat to the music industry across streaming, content, live music events and ticketing, equipment and tech, and satellite and radio. We have all the companies from Universal Music Group to Warner to Sony, all the music publishing companies, companies like Live Nation, companies like Tencent, like Cloud Music, equities in Thailand, in Taiwan, in China, in Japan. We are the first global music fund for investors.
Now, at any level, investors can come in?
At any level. Today the NAV we're at a 52-week high at almost at 26. The fund is up 8% for the year. You can buy as many shares as you want. We have 28 holdings from the fund across these different segments, and we are an opportunity to create diversification in music for investors.
Right. Now, how does this help the artists and the musicians?
So we have all the major music companies and the smaller music companies. So, companies like Universal, like Warner's, companies like Reservoir Media, and these are all the companies that invest in all these different artists. So if you're a Bruno Mars fan, we have Bruno's label, Warner Music Group. If you're a Taylor Swift fan, we have her label, Republic, which is owned by Universal. So we're really creating a lot more liquidity for all these different companies, which helps the artists.
Well, the music industry has changed so much, it's almost hard to keep up. So why did you create this, and what do you see it's going to do to help affect the music industry?
So I've been investing in music for 30 years. I had a big private equity-backed company. Historically, as an investor, your money was wrapped and trapped in an LP fund, Blackstone or KKR Apollo. There was no retail product for investors, right? There was no way to get something totally liquid and totally transparent. So this is a way now that a Robinhood investor for $1,000 can now invest in 28 different companies, or a family office or a sophisticated RIA. There is really no limit to what they can invest in. It's really for all ages and in all types of investors.
Now, you're a keynote speaker today at the Microcap Conference. What are you talking about?
So I'm just raising awareness around our fund, letting investors know there's a retail opportunity for them today to invest in the music industry. Music today is really undervalued. It's really under-monetized. It's cheap, right? For $11 a month, you have 200 million songs. You pay 2.5 times that for Netflix, for HBO Go. So we're going to see, look, Spotify is reporting earnings next week. Things are pretty bullish. The stock's up 3% today. I'm just letting investors know that now's a great time to invest in music. Music is too big to ignore.
It sure is. Well, as a musician, I appreciate that because it is frustrating, right, to feel any type of reciprocation when it comes to this. All right, so we are in a new administration and new year. I kind of like to ask how you feeling about microcap companies in the market?
Look, clearly, I think Donald Trump supports microcap companies. He supports entrepreneurs. I think Charlie Gasparino talked about that today. We'll see what happens with meme coins. We'll be launching a music coin associated with our fund pretty soon, giving an opportunity to investors to buy coins and then redeem them for T-shirts and tickets to the Grammys and backstage passes. So there are all kinds of perks that come along with our fund too by owning shares in our fund. But I think this administration is pro-business, pro-entrepreneurs. It's great for small cap companies. I think this is the golden age now for entrepreneurs.
And music. All right, David. Well, you can find more information. Ticker symbol, great ticker, by the way, MUSQ. All right, thank you so much.
Great, thank you, Anna.
All right.